The advent of the artificial intelligence is providing a lot of opportunities, especially in the African continent, when you put it within the context of monitoring observations within Africa's oceans and coastlines and shorelines. The reality is that the continent of Africa's oceans have not been explored to the highest, and so they've been underexplored. And only about 1% of the shorelines have actually been documented, and of the ocean beds have actually been explored. It therefore means that we need to look at different ways in which we can leverage artificial intelligence, and the new approach called digital twinning is quite very instrumental. This innovation can be leveraged to extrapolate and interpolate data to then be able to have an understanding of the entire ocean, both the shoreline, the coastlines, and the ocean beds. What this helps to do is that it then provides not just monitoring of knowing the state of the ocean and the marine environment, but it helps to also provide an opportunity for decision makers to know what to do. Where are the coral reefs? Where are they getting degraded? Where are the mangroves that actually are harbors for fisheries getting degraded or getting destroyed? And as a result of this picture, which is virtual, it provides that experimental data that can then be leveraged to make decision making. How this is good for the African continent and for decision makers, for the international community, is that investment into where ocean protection and restoration needs to happen will now start to flow in without us having to only wait for research results which are not forthcoming, but in real time we can understand where the problem is, which part of the ocean is having a problem. And so digital twinning is not just a necessary tool. Digital twinning is an opportunity to be able to provide not just the data that is needed, but also to match solutions. And the last aspect with digital twinning for the African continent and even the world is that instead of just understanding the state of the ocean health, it will now start to also look beyond, to look at the upstream risk, whether it is affluent that is coming from inland bodies to oceans, or it is leakages from warehouses where we're having wastewater that ends up in the ocean, affecting aquatic life and resulting to eutrophication. It can also be able to simulate solutions that can match risk with these solutions. And all this whole picture can be provided leveraging digital twinning.